Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? F plus hair plus E. Fair E. Tail. Tail. Fairy tale. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you. Thanks, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our program. The man on my right was applauding loudly. He's very happy today because on our last program, in just 2 games, Grady Manley won $15,029 in prizes. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Ready to win some more, aren't you?
Definitely.
All right, let's meet your new opponent, our challenger, ladies and gentlemen, Dawn Schatzberger. Hi, Dawn.
Hi, Alex.
Happy to meet you.
Thank you, same here.
Married or single?
I am married to a wonderful man.
Any children?
No, not yet.
Where do you guys live?
We live in Diamond Bar, California.
Ah,
real nice.
That's south of here, isn't it?
No, actually, it's east.
Southeast?
And, yeah, it's near the country. It's real pretty.
Oh, all righty. Ready to play?
Absolutely.
Take a look over here. This is a great prize. Trust me.
It's Carnival time, so don't blame it on Rio if you and a friend lose yourselves dancing the night away in the streets of Rio de Janeiro. Brazil, the emerald capital of the world, is yours as you and your guests fly from Los Angeles to Rio de Janeiro via Varig Airlines, enjoying the comfort, service, and in-flight hospitality furnished by Varig Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the exciting Hotel Intercontinental Rio, located on South Honrado Beach. Enjoy the sun, fun, and quality of this full-service resort hotel. Alex.
Well, obviously we know where the San Diego Chicken got the idea for the design. Carnival in Rio. Thank you, Marjorie. Thank you, Gene. Let's show Dawn and Grady where we can find that holiday on our game board at number 15. Dawn, you get to pick first. You're the challenger.
Okay, let's start in the right-hand corner under number 5, please.
Diamond and amethyst
Ooh,
earrings.
I would love those. And let's go to number 22 for the match.
Wild card.
Yeah!
The other diamond and amethyst earrings are at number 18, so 3 panels are going to open for you, Dawn. Okay. Pick again.
Okay, let's go to number 4, please.
Designer dresses.
Oh, those would be nice. And the match behind number 16.
There's another wild card.
Yeah!
The other designer dresses, where are they? At number 13, 3 more panels opening up. Dawn's got the clothing and the jewelry. Can she win them? Select.
Okay, I'd like number 7, please.
35mm camera outfit?
That would be nice. And the match behind number 23.
No, red tape. Grady.
Okay, let's try number 8.
Sofa.
Oh, how about number 1?
Toaster, oven, and broiler. No match. Dawn.
Okay, let's open up the board under number 14, please.
Leather attaché.
Okay, and the match behind number 6.
Leather attaché.
Yes!
Well done, indeed. 2 more panels are going to open up for Dawn's benefit. Pick again.
Okay, let's see number 10.
Toaster, oven, and broiler. Didn't you just see that?
I did. I think it was behind number 1.
Yeah.
Yes, it was. Grady remembered. You beat him to the punch.
Thank you.
2 more doors. Open. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 24.
35mm camera outfit.
And I think the match was behind number 2.
No, Grady says no. He knows where it is.
I know, it's behind number 7.
7.
Yeah.
And number 24.
Savillon and 24 is a match. First prize in Grady's column. First chance to solve the puzzle.
The pleasure is all mine.
Why, thank you. We're delighted to have you here also. Oh, you mean that's your solution?
I think it is.
You're offering that as a solution to our
am.
puzzle. The pleasure is all mine, says Grady Manley. And it is indeed, because he's right. Go to the board.
The, which stands for the, ple plus the shore of the sea, the pleasure. Snake saying hiss, and all is all in a mind. The pleasure is all mine.
The pleasure is indeed all his. Grady did well on that. Don, well, you kind of ran into a buzzsaw there.
Right, right.
He had that one try early and didn't make a match. Then he came back, made the match, and by then it was too late for you to do anything about it. You've got one strike against you only, however, and that means you'll be back in game number 2 in just a little while.
Right.
We will see you then.
Good luck, Grady.
Thank you.
Grady, you got a prize in that game, and you're going to get another chance to play for the cars
Right.
when we return following these messages.
Love Family Feud?
We're in kind of a subdued lighting situation here for a very good reason, because we're going to talk about something special. Grady is a minister, served in the ministry for how many years?
12 years.
12 years, but you're on a sabbatical now?
Well, yeah, I'm a house husband now.
Are you obviously you're enjoying it.
I love it.
Now, if you had not been on the sabbatical for the past
Yes.
12 months,
Yes.
you would not have had an opportunity to watch our program.
That's true. That's true.
Lord just gave us some light.
You
Thank
bet.
you. And watching during the daytime, you've...
Yes. Actually, though, I've watched game shows all my life.
Yeah?
I love game shows.
What is it about classic concentration that made you want to be a contestant on this
Because
program?
I usually do the puzzles pretty quickly. I have troubles with the matches, but usually I get the puzzles.
All right. Well, you've certainly demonstrated that up to this point. You've won 3 consecutive games. You're playing brilliantly. And now you get another shot at the 15 numbered squares for a possible win of one of these cars. And you have 45 seconds on the clock. Grady, good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
Nope.
4, 6,
Nope.
7, 9,
No.
10, 1,
No.
4, 3,
No.
6, 10,
Yes.
12, 13,
Nope.
15, 2,
Nope.
9, 2, 9, 15. Oh, 9, 13. There it is. 5, 14. Nope. 14, 3. 14, 4.
Yep.
5, 15. 5, 12.
That last one worked. As you were making the selections,
Yes.
a couple of thoughts occurred to me. The Cavalier and the Charade seem to present problems.
That's right. They all
The
see.
Excel
Yeah.
and the Escort also
That's
seem to
true.
present problems.
They
And the
burn.
Colt and the Civic, you're having difficulty
true.
differentiating between those
That's true.
individual
Look at a
automobiles.
glance, see that first part.
Yeah, it was very tough. There's a lot of pressure on you.
Yeah.
However, you're still the champ, and you have $15,177 in
Very
prizes. The kids are very excited. Your wife obviously is excited as well. We're going to take a break, and then we'll come back to start game number 2. Usually, we do not replace our appliances until they have died in our homes. But if you are a contestant on a game show such as Classic Concentration, we provide you with an opportunity of making a wholesale change that will really benefit your home. Take a look.
This Whirlpool kitchen features a designer-style side-by-side refrigerator freezer with flexible storage and easy-to-clean features, a portable dishwasher with power clean washing system, an in-the-door silverware basket, and an easy clean-up electric range with electronic touch controls and a solid-state meal timer clock furnished by Whirlpool. Alex.
Thank you, Gene and Marjorie. Let's show our players where they can find the complete kitchen at number 5. Players, was I right? Is it true that you will replace an appliance only when it breaks down? You're not likely to make a wholesale change to color coordinate things.
Right.
So this would be a wonderful prize, wouldn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, you know where you can find it. There will be just the one wild card in this game, but because it's game number 2, we have the 5 bonus seconds, we have the cash pot, and that's at $500, and we have a holiday in Bermuda. During the commercial break, Dawn says, geez, I hope in game number 2 I'm around longer than I was in game number 1. She's got to win this because she has one strike against her. Go to work.
Right. Okay, let's go in the middle of the board. Number 13, please.
Motorcycle.
Okay, and how about the match for that motorcycle under number 1?
Cash pot. No match. Grady.
Let's try number 3.
Gold desk clock.
And how about number 21?
Bermuda. No match, Dawn.
Okay, I'd love to find Bermuda. I need a vacation. How about Bermuda under number 25?
Green take.
Okay, and the match for that take under number 22?
Cash pot. No match, Grady.
Oh, more money, please. Number 1.
The house husband is looking for dough.
You betcha, for my cookie jar. 22.
22 is a match. 500 bucks. Let's open it up for Grady. While you are enjoying this status as house husband, are
Yes.
you the cook?
Absolutely.
And you clean up, do all of that wonderful stuff?
Every bit of it.
Good for you. It is fun, isn't it?
Yes,
I
it
love
is.
it because it's therapy.
That's right.
Just frees your mind and you're accomplishing something positive.
That's right.
Make a selection.
How about number 4? Let's see what's there.
Video cassette recorder, also known as your VCR.
That's right. Okay, let's try 24 then.
Nope, red take. Dawn.
Okay, how about number 7, please?
Diamond and emerald
Ooh,
pendant.
that'd be nice. And match behind number 15?
5 bonus
Oh,
car
I'd
seconds.
love that.
No match there. Grady.
All right, number 10.
Outdoor lighting.
Lighting, okay. 23.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
No.
Okay, we've seen that motorcycle. I believe it's under number 13. And the match behind number 23, please?
There's the match.
Okay, all right.
You made that match, and I think you disappointed Grady's 2 young sons up there. They're too young to ride this motorcycle,
That's right.
but their eyes kind of lit up when he uncovered it a moment ago. 2 panels opening up for Don Schatzberger. Let's see what they do. Aha. Not much, you're right.
Okay, how about we open up the board under number 9, please?
Complete kitchen.
And the match for that under number 5, please?
Yes. I thought you were going to lose it there for a moment, Don.
But 5 is my lucky number.
Really?
So yes.
Why?
Yes. That's my birthday, September 5th.
I see. If you won any lottos or things like that?
No, but I'm trying.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Well, you have a chance right now to win a complete kitchen and some other
Okay,
prizes.
that'd be
If you
great.
can solve the puzzle. Select.
Okay. Could we see number 4, please?
Video cassette recorder.
We saw that, but I'm not sure where. How about a wild card under number 11?
5 bonus
Oh.
seconds. Grady.
Let's try 15 and see if there are any seconds there.
Yes.
And number 11?
Number 11. And the way Grady has been playing that bonus round, he could use those bonus seconds, believe me. Open it up, please. Select again.
Number 17.
Green take.
Green take. Number 25.
There's a match. Green take. And looking over here, what do we have? We have a motorcycle and we have a complete kitchen.
You know, I'm going to take the kitchen.
You're a wise man, Grady. He's passing on the motorcycle and he's going for the complete kitchen. Let's open the 2 panels for him. Select again.
Number 20.
Bermuda.
Oh, and 21.
Bermuda.
Of course, now I'm takeless.
But that's all right. There's just the one take, the red take,
That's
still
true.
on the board. And right now, you have just as good a chance as coming up with that take as your opponent, Don, has. And who knows, you might solve the puzzle right here and win the game. Open these panels.
Number 12.
Dining set.
How about number 2?
Outdoor lighting, no match, Dawn.
Okay, I think we saw that outdoor lighting under number 10.
Yes,
And the match behind number 2, please?
correct. That's a match for the lady. Open the panels for her. Pick again.
Okay, let's see number 14, please.
Dining set.
Oh, we just saw that. Oh, was that under number 3?
No. Gold desk clock. And we
Number-
still have one wild card up there.
Yes,
Grady.
we do. Number 12.
Dining set.
Number 14.
Dining set. That is right. That gives you 5 prizes in your column.
Yes.
And if you win this game, you'll be in good shape to win a brand new car.
Yes.
Open the panels for him. Pick again.
Number 18.
Diamond and emerald pendant.
Wow. Let's try right next door at 19. Oh, shoot.
Shoot indeed. Red take there, Don.
Okay, let's see number 7, please.
Diamond
And the match
emerald
behind
pendant.
number 18, please.
That's right. Swing them open. Let's see what Don can do. Pick again.
Okay, let's see number 6, please.
Gold desk clock.
And the match behind number 16.
No, but it may be a wild card.
Yes! Thank you.
Grady was almost heaving a sigh of relief because the gold desk clock he knew was up higher on the board. We revealed it earlier at number 3. So 3 panels are opening up for Don. This is your chance, Don. One more match for you.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 8, please.
Video cassette recorder.
And that match behind number 4.
Oh,
Video
Yes.
cassette recorder.
Yes.
That prize goes into your column. We'll open those 2 panels. We'll show you 19 and 24. You know the...
Yes.
Wait a minute. Let me do my job.
you get
There's
the
a
seal
red.
for me, Dawn.
There's a red take.
Okay.
So you can grab something he has. Complete kitchen, Bermuda, dining set, 5 bonus car seconds, $500 in cash in the cash pot.
I want the 5 bonus car seconds, please.
You got him.
I need them. With 35 seconds, I need 5 more.
All right.
At least.
She's going for the bonus seconds. Now, solve the puzzle.
Is it show your ID at the door?
Show your ID at the door or we won't let you in. We're going to let Dawn in because she solved the puzzle.
Yes.
Come on, Dawn. You get to explain it.
Okay. We have the S and the ho for show, the Y and the or for your. We have the S and the ho for show, the Y and the or for your, show your, the I and the needle and the D, ID, hat, the door. Show your ID at the door.
Show your ID at the door, and good things will happen to you. Grady, that's just your first
strike.
X, your first strike. So you'll be back. We'll
Yes.
see you in the next game. So long. Dawn, a lot of prizes for you. Good things have happened to her. Gene, tell her.
Outdoor lighting, a diamond emerald pendant, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond emerald pendant or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a gold desk clock. Jean Roulet presents the gold bar that tells time. This 18-karat gold layered over brass timepiece features date, alarm, and all quartz movement furnished by Jean Roulet, and a video cassette recorder. This Sanyo VCR features 4-head, double azimuth, special effects system, 38-key remote control, 1 year, 6-event timer, and new step-by-step on-screen programming furnished by Sanyo. And the motorcycle. Loosen up and have some fun with a Honda ZB50 motorcycle. Handles everything from around the block to around the town. Compact size and lightweight, designed to make it easy to maneuver and transport. And the 5 bonus car seconds. And these prizes total $2,502.
All right, Don. Way to go, and we'll go away and come back to play the bonus round after this.
Up next.
Bonus car seconds for this moment.
Yes.
15 numbered squares. The clock. Base time, of course, is 35, and here are the 5 you won. That takes you to 40 seconds. Good
Great.
luck, Don.
Thank
Go to
you.
work.
1, 3,
No,
13, 15,
no,
4, 6,
no,
10, 12,
no,
3, 8,
no.
1, 12,
Yep,
6, 11,
yep,
14, 2,
no,
3, 13,
no,
2, 13,
yes,
15, 7,
Nope.
9, 5,
Nope.
7, 5,
Yep.
4, 3.
Not bad. Not
Came
bad.
close.
Yeah,
I
not
came
bad
close.
for your first time.
Right.
You've won $2,502 in prizes.
Right.
You have won a game and lost the game, and you're going to get to play Grady again.
Right.
We're going to take a break right now, though. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Caron presents their truffles and other hand-dipped pure fresh chocolates for an exquisite dessert, a wonderful gift. These delectable chocolates are elegantly packaged and furnished by Perron Chocolatier. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Next time. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.